Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord mobile notifications. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, the first thing you'll not want to do is navigate to a server and make sure the notifications are on and working for that server. So I'm going to tap on Trevor's server at the very top. And then there you can see notifications. Just tap on that. And these are all the notifications just for the server. But this doesn't necessarily change the notifications across the entire app. I'll also walk you through those steps as well. But on here, we want to make sure the notifications are turned on for messages and everything else. Just make sure everything is turned on. After we've done that, let's hop out of here and then tap on the U button at the bottom right. Another thing I would recommend doing is tapping on your name here, and you can see on here if you're set to do not disturb, then you won't get any notifications on the app because you've set that to do not disturb regardless of whether they're turned on. So we want to switch this to online instead. However, after doing all of those things, it could still not work for those notifications. We need to check two other places. The first place is to tap on the settings icon at the top right. Then we're going to scroll down until you find notifications. And these are all of your in-app notifications. You can see notifications within Discord, as well as all your messages, status notifications, everything on here. Make sure all of these are turned on. But yet again, even though all of these are turned on, you still could potentially not be getting notifications to your phone. The reason for that is because the notifications could be turned off in the settings of your phone. So open up the settings and go to notifications. This is where all of your notifications are on your iPhone or Android. Now keep in mind, they could be turned on Discord, but if they're turned off on your iPhone or Android, it will prevent them from showing up on your phone. So let's then just go to Discord and you can see it is turned off here. Finally, I need to turn them on here. And then I'll turn on notifications on everything as well as the sounds and badges. The last thing I would recommend doing is swiping down from the top right. And if you have something like do not disturb turned on, make sure to turn that off. And now you will certainly get all of those notifications to your phone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.